Over 50 years ago in Chile, a country endeavoring to grow and advance, Sudamericana de Vapores, one of the oldest shipping lines in the world, began planning and developing new routes for its clients, an integral service of excellence, which led in 1961 to the creation of a new company, SAAM SA, Sky, Sea, and Land. Early on in the decade, the company initiated its operations, providing shipping agency services in several of the country's ports. We immediately launched our towage services with 2 tugboats, the Yoyeo and the Mataquito. From the outset, we have been fully committed to satisfying our clients' needs. As a result, we have been constantly searching for new opportunities. In the 1970s, we began expanding into the air cargo area. In the late 1970s, we began providing export cargo services. We established the first container storage, maintenance, and repair facility in Valparaiso. We expanded into the air cargo services area at the International Airport in Santiago through our subsidiary Aerosan. Years later, and driven by our vocation of leadership, SAAM won a bid to establish and operate the first bonded warehouse in Chile. During these first 50 years, to cover various geographical regions and to provide a wide range of services, SAAM created a number of affiliates. As we move ahead in the 21st century, we remain faithful to our initial mission to be the region's leading tugboat operator. Over the years, our fleet of 2 legendary tugboats, the Yoyeo and the Mataquito, has grown into a powerful fleet of 25 in Chile and more than 120 in Latin America, enabling us to become the 4th largest operator in the world with state-of-the-art vessels, an achievement that fills us with pride. The 20th century ended with an enormous challenge for the nation's stevedoring companies and especially for SAAM. In 1999, the first concessions for the main ports in Chile were awarded. At that time, we were a key player in a market that was undergoing profound structural changes, a major challenge that SAAM was able to meet through its professionalism and steadfast commitment to excellence. Today, we can proudly say that we were highly successful in these bidding processes, winning the concessions for San Antonio, San Vicente, Iquique, Antofagasta, and Arica, and also becoming a participant in Puerto Panul SA. In addition, in a subsequent process, we acquired the private port terminal at Corral. No doubt, the incorporation of TPG and Ecuador, the Florida International Terminal, FIT, in the USA, and the recent addition of the Port of Mazatlan in Mexico, our first maritime port terminal ventures outside of Chile, represents just the beginning of our international development in the port services area. We began pushing out our borders. We wanted to take our dreams to other markets, to other realities, and so we continued our drive for further internationalization, creating more than 30 new companies in different latitudes. Thus, SAAM has continually shown its enormous versatility in providing cargo and vessel services, offering world-class solutions that meet the highest safety standards and maximize productivity. Services for ships and aircraft, air and sea cargo services, tugboats, barges, and pilot vessels, loading and unloading operations at port terminals and airports, container storage, repair, and maintenance, cargo services, integrated logistics for all kinds of cargo, shipping agent services for exporters, cold storage services, storage and warehousing services, land and river transport services, bonded warehouses in ports and airports, ferries. Currently, SAAM provides logistics services for ships and their cargo in 58 ports in 11 countries in the Americas. Today, we look to the future with new proposals, channeling all of our services in 3 large business areas: port terminals, tugboats, logistics, and distribution. With this new approach and with renewed energy, we are striving to accompany the dreams of our clients and their businesses. Today, an extraordinary new dream comes to life: conquering the rest of the world to continue taking the name of our country and of our company, SAAM, to new corners of the planet. The dream will remain vigorously alive through your efforts. Our ever-committed shareholders, our highly qualified and talented workers, our executives, our loyal clients, and all others who wish to join us. Welcome to participating with us in our new conquests. SAM, 50 years with you, now and always, wherever you need us.